Florida's reputation as a transportation hub means our highways are often crowded with large vehicles like vans, trucks, and big rigs. This heavy traffic increases the likelihood of encountering safety hazards, such as sudden and dangerous truck tire blowouts. The Federal Motor Carrier Safety Administration reports that tire blowouts account for 5.6% of all truck-related accidents. These situations aren't just dangerous, they can lead to serious injuries and extensive vehicle damage, or even cause multi-car pileups. In Florida, if a tire blowout causes damage to your car, liability typically depends on the specific circumstances surrounding the incident. If the blowout was due to the truck's negligence, such as improper maintenance or overloading, the truck driver, trucking company, or both could be held responsible for the damages. If the tire blowout was due to a tire manufacturer defect, the liability might fall on the manufacturer. What steps should you take if you find yourself in a collision caused by a truck tire blowout in Florida? Your priority should be safety. Remain at the scene and immediately contact the authorities. Under Florida law, reporting any accident, regardless of its size, is mandatory. Document the scene with photos and notes, paying attention to potential causes like debris, overloading, or inadequate tire maintenance. Before accepting insurance claims, consult with personal injury attorney Leo Valdes, who can guide you through your options and help safeguard your rights. Deciding who's responsible for accidents caused by a truck tire blowout is complicated legally and could potentially implicate the trucking company, tire manufacturer, or maintenance personnel. Contact the law offices of Leonard J. Valdes for a free consultation.